Okay, for the next set of examples, we're going to take point-slope form, which is the form we just had, and change it to slope-intercept form. And there's actually two steps there. First is to distribute. My pen's magic, it just changed colors on me. Second is to solve for y. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this. To change point slope to slope-intercept form, distribute your 2. So y minus 3 equals 2x minus 2. And then to solve for y, we're going to add 3 to both sides. So I get y equals 2x. Notice those are my like terms, so I'm going to add those together. So negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So this is my equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, pretty easy. Distribute, solve for y. So, distribute, I get 3x minus 15, and then solve for y, so minus 4 on both sides. So I'm left with y equals 3x, and then if I combine those, negative 15 minus 4 is negative 19. Okay, next one, distribute. So I get y minus 8 equals 2/3 x. And then to do this, we're going to go ahead and flip over to our calculator real quick. We're actually going to type in 2/3 times 9 in our calculator. Let's see what we get. So 2/3, remember, is just 2 divided by 3. It is actually times positive 9, so we're going to times 9. And we get 6 for an answer. Okay, so this is actually a plus 6. Okay, and then my last step would be to add 8 to both sides. So y equals 2/3 x. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, last one. Distribute, so negative 1/2 times x and negative 1/2 times 4. A negative times a positive is a negative. Most common mistake here is with their sign. And then 1/2 of 4 is 2. You can also type that in your calculator. Negative 1 divided by 2 times 4. See what you get. And then solve for y. So subtract 1 from both sides. So we get negative 1/2 x, and then negative 2 and negative 1 is negative 3. So that's all you're doing. Second target. Taking that point slope form that we got in the first type of problem that we did, change it to slope-intercept form. Go ahead and try these 4 guided practice problems. Have them checked, and once they are checked and good, you can go on to the next or the last set of examples.